So the process of doing Terrazzo is first we'll come in, we'll prep the floor with a shot blaster.
If there's like debris, stuff like that, pick that up. And then grinding, that's the grinding down the concrete to open up the pores for the material to be able to sink in.
And then from there we'll do the NVT.
And we pour down the primer and then a fill. So it'll be nice and flat, you know?
And then from fill we'll do a membrane with a fiberglass mesh on with it. And then from there, we'll do the layout of the strips.
And after that, we just get everything prepared for the last process, and we set up a mix station. And we have a guy that's in the mixer and a guy with the wheelbarrow. And then once I go pour it, they trowel it down, make it nice and flat, nice and even.
And it's all hand installed.
After it gets like poured out, we let it dry out as long as it takes.
And then from there, we'll come in with grinders, start rough grinding the whole floor up. Do edges.
It grinds it down to reveal like how it's gonna look, all the little rocks, the glass and all that's in there to make it look nice.
And then from there, we'll start polishing it out.
Like what gives it the nice, beautiful look, the shine.
I mean, each guy is very important, from the mixing guy even to the finisher guys.
It's a pretty lengthy process to do it. You gotta have an eye for it and you gotta have patience.
Okay, so all the Terrazzo would be on this concourse and on all the restrooms. We'll have all the black color here that will go around, kind of like in a circle around this walkway.
Once we start pouring it, all day these guys will be on their knees, troweling. And this stuff's no joke, it's heavy, you know? It's hard work, yeah.
When my kids are older, and I'm gonna be able to say, hey, you know what? We did that floor. It feels good, it'll feel good.
Oh, it's always exciting, man, because it's like from the beginning, you see how it starts. Yeah, and when you finish it, it looks nice and beautiful. Yeah, it's a nice feeling.